Jai Hind students, in the last class we discussed some questions from exercise 3.6. Today we are going to discuss one more question from the same exercise 3.6. Question number 1, part 8. Here is the question. Now from this equation, arranging the terms, we can write in bracket 1 upon 3x plus y plus in bracket 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 1. And from this equation, after arranging the terms, we can say 1 upon 2 into in bracket 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into in bracket 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we get 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 2. Now putting 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. In equations 1 and 2, we get p plus q is equal to 3 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 3, and p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 4. So therefore, from this pair of equations which were not given in the linear form, finally we have got this pair of linear equations in two variables p and q. Now we have to solve for p and q, and to solve for p and q we have to apply any of the three algebraic methods, and here we are applying elimination method. And we have decided to eliminate q because here q in both the equations having sign opposite sign plus and minus, so we have to add these two equations to eliminate q. So adding equations 3 and 4, we get 2p is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That implies 2p is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. That implies p is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now substituting this value of p, that is p is equal to 1 by 4, in equation 3 we will get p means 1 by 4 plus q is equal to 3 by 4. So that is written here 1 by 4 plus q is equal to 3 by 4, and after solving we get q is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2, but we supposed p as 1 upon 3x plus y and q as 1 upon 3x minus y. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. This implies 3x plus y is equal to 4. Suppose it to be equation 5, and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Suppose it to be equation 6. Now we have to solve these two equations again, and here we see y in both the equations having opposite sign plus and minus. So to eliminate y, we have to add these two equations, equation 5 and 6. So therefore adding equations 5 and 6, we get 6x is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to 1. Now substituting this value of x, that is x is equal to 1, in equation 5 we will get 3x means 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, which is written here 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. That implies y is equal to 4 minus 3, that implies y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1 is the required solution of this pair of equations. So what have we learned today? We have learned how to solve a pair of equations which are not given in the linear form. In the next class, we will discuss how to solve word problems. Till then, take a good care of yourself and bye.